To use Affirm as a payment method on Vrbo, simply shop as you normally would and select the firm as your payment option at checkout. This will redirect you to a pop-up window where you can pre-qualify or apply for a monthly payment option. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide your personal information and choose a suitable installment payment plan if you prefer not to pay all expenses at once. If approved, the purchase will be automatically completed, and you will be redirected to the Vrbo website for confirmation. You will need to provide an ACH bank account number or debit card details to process payments when they are due. It's worth noting that the firm can only be used as a payment method on selected properties, which will be indicated by the firm's logo on eligible listings. The process is straightforward, and using Affirm on Vrbo is a simple way to manage your payments.